presentation on degree and connectivity in graph theory of discrete math. Degree. In the number of vertices adjacent to a vertex V, it is denoted by degree of V. In a simple graph with n number of vertex, the degree of any vertices is degree of V equal to n minus 1 for all V belongs to G. Degree of vertex can be considered under two cases of graph: undirected graph, directed graph. An undirected graph has no directed edge. Example: degree of A equal to 2, degree of B equal to 3, degree of C equal to 1, degree of D equal to 2, degree of E equal to 0. So E is called isolated vertex. In a directed graph, each vertex has an in degree as an out degree. In degree of graph. In degree of vertex V is the number of edges which are coming into the vertex V, denoted by degree of V in minus sign. Out degree of graph. Out degree of vertex V is the number of edges which are outgoing from the vertex V, denoted by degree of V in plus sign. Example: node A have in degree 1, out degree 2, node B in degree 2, out degree 0, C in degree 2, out degree 1, in degree is 1, out degree is 1, G in degree is 0, out degree is 2. Connectivity. It is a basic concept of graph theory. It defined whether a graph is connected or disconnected. Without connectivity, it is not possible to traverse a graph from one vertex to another vertex. A graph is said to be connected graph if there is a path between every pair of vertex. From every vertex to any other vertex, there must be some path in traverse. This is called a connectivity of a graph. A graph is said to be disconnected if there exist multiple disconnected vertices and edges. Graph connectivity theory are essential in network application, routing transportation network tolerance, etc. Figure. We can traverse from B to H. Then we using the path B to A to D, D to F, F to E, E to H. It is a connected graph. The basic concept of connectivity. Cut vertex. We remove a vertex from a graph, then graph will break into two or more graphs. This vertex is called a cut vertex. A connected graph G may have maximum n minus 2 cut vertices, n equal to number of vertices. See example here, vertex C is a cut vertex. Cut edge, breeze. When we remove an edge from a graph, then graph will break into two or more graphs. This removed edge is called as cut edge or breeze. A connected graph G may have at most n minus 1 cut edge. If a cut edge exists, then a cut vertex must also exist because at least one vertex of a cut edge is a cut vertex. Example, edge CE is a cut edge. After remove this edge, the graph will become a disconnected graph. Its connectivity. The edge connectivity of a connected graph G is the minimum number of edges whose remove G disconnected. It is denoted by lambda of G. When lambda of G is greater than equal to K, then graph G is said to be K edge connected. Example, if we remove two minimum edges, then connected graph has hence therefore it is called two edge connected graph. Example, four way to disconnect the graph by removing two edges. Vertex connectivity. The connectivity or vertex connectivity of a connected graph G is a minimum number of vertices whose removal makes G disconnected or reduced to a travel graph. It is denoted by K of G. The graph is said to be K connected or K vertex connected when K of G is greater than equal to K. To remove a vertex, we must also remove the edge incident to it. Example, if vertex C removed or vertex D is removed, then vertex connectivity is 1. Therefore, it is called connected graph. Thank you.